So in this Inkscape tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to change the color of a PNG image here in Inkscape. So right here I have my hammer. My hammer is black, but if we were to go ahead and press on the hammer right here, go to the bottom, try to change the color, it's not going to work. I can go to the top here, go to filters, go to color and go to colorize. You can open up this bar right here, press on live preview, press apply, and nothing is going to work in this regard. So if you want to change the color of a PNG image, I'm just going to go ahead and make it a little bit smaller right here. I want you to press on the image, go to the top to where it says Path, and then Trace Bitmap on the right hand side right here. I'm just going to go cutoff tool right here because it's going to basically cut off where the color ends. Once that is done, I'm going to go ahead and press on apply. And what this actually does is it creates a copy of your PNG. So now what I want you to do is press on your PNG copy right here, go to the bottom, find a different color. You can make the hammer green right there, and there you go. You've now changed the color of the PNG. If I were to go to this one right here and try to change the color to green, nothing is going to work. Even if I press apply, it still stays the same color. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how you guys can change the color of a PNG file or a PNG picture here in Inkscape. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.